What's up, you guys? Tonight we're making a super quick and easy family meal. This is going to be broccoli and tilapia. So I took some of my Kerrygo's butter and we're just going to put some in the bottom of our baking dish. And we're just going to throw our tilapia here on top, and you can use whatever seasonings that you like. I use garlic and onion powder. Just going to sprinkle it all over the top here, followed by some fresh chives. Once I finished laying that down, I went ahead and I just threw on about 4 lemon slices, and this is going to give it such an amazing taste. Then we're going to go ahead and start placing down our frozen broccoli, or fresh if you have fresh. Go ahead and put that all around the top, and we're going to bake this at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. This came out so perfect, so juicy, and it was absolutely delicious. This meal was so simple and it took no time. Like, comment, share, and follow for more.